Assalamualaikum friends. Come my friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today we draw a beautiful car. So let's start. We start with the round in there, round in there, round in there. We start with the round in there, all to the top.
On the bus go round and round all day long.
Friends, we have two wheels. One wheel, another wheel.
Horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. Horn on the bus goes beep 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 all day long. Wipers on the bus go swish swish swish, swish swish swish, swish swish swish. Wipers on the bus go swish 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 all day long. Doors on the bus they open
So
and
let's
shut,
start the
open and shut,
la.
open and shut.
I'm enjoying so much.
Doors on the bus they open
I hope
and
you
shut
like the video.
all day long. Bell on the bus goes ding ding ding, ding ding ding, ding ding ding. Bell on the bus goes ding 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 all day long.
Please share it long for a minute. Come down there and break the colors.
Bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. People in the bus go up and down all day long. Wheels in the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels in the bus go round and round all day long, all day long, all day long. People in the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. People in the bus go up and down all day long.
Subscribe my channel and don't forget the colors. And don't miss on day. Bye bye.